Okay, I'm timing myself. I'm going to the dojo right now. Time is 1:20. And let's see how long it takes me. 1:20, 2:20, 3:20. I'm giving myself about half an hour or something. Okay, I think this is the entrance to the I think this is the entrance to the river. Watch out for the vehicles, riders. Doesn't say what time it closes. So that doesn't say what time it closes, but I'm sure it'll be closed later on tonight because the map won't take me there. Okay. Okay, this is what the river looks like. As you can see, it's very, very quiet. No cars here. Okay, so far the trip has been on just regular streets, on bicycle lanes, but it's kind of getting exciting. I wanted to show it to you, so I'm going to videotape it with these glasses. I came up this track here, and it's going around. Here it finally goes to this bridge, which I'm about to take. So I'm going to be taking this bridge because the thing told me to turn right. I'm going to get a chance to ride across this bridge. Okay, let's see. Alright, I'm back on. I haven't used my battery yet. I want to save it just in case there's like a street with cars on it. I want to save my power so that now we're gonna go up this bridge. Oh, guy! This is like Disneyland or Knott's Berry Farm. My tires are impermeable to flat. Okay, the machine just told me to turn left on Santa Ana River Trail. That's the trail right there. Oh my goodness gracious. This is the best day. In a quarter mile slide left to stay on the Santa Ana River. But right now I'm conserving my batteries just in case I hit any streets with lots of cars on it. I want the power to be able to get out of there. That's where I want to go. How do I get there? I gotta cross this street. Let's see, I'm gonna go that way. Cross the street without the divider. I'm gonna turn my motor on. Turn it on to thing. Make sure no one's behind me. It's a little funny here. I can still see behind me, so there's no one behind me at all. But it's kind of creepy. So no one's behind me. I can see in front of me. I'm about to get some power going so I can get back on the river. I wonder road there in the bottom. Why did it make me go up? Okay, so there's a road that goes to the bottom there that I do want to take next time. I don't want to cross that street. So I guess it's to the right side. Hi there.
John, nice seeing you.
It is a good day. Going fast. He could be on drugs. Get to go under this bridge. 600 feet, I'm going to turn right. Wow. Turn right toward Cadillac Avenue. Turn right toward Cadillac Avenue.